Hey, testing, testing, 1, 2. Are we live? Yes, we are live. All right, let's all say a quick prayer this morning for my internet today. Can we make it through the day without getting disconnected? Can we? The odds are pretty low, I think, but we can try. All right, everybody. Good morning. Good morning. Good to see everybody. We are live. We are live. Andreas, good morning. Timely Bible verse, good morning. Good to see you. Timbo, Tech 111, Black Coffee, Trader in the house. Jim JB, Techniques, Dean Bishop, Pursuing Profits, Jake Dell, Jack Wiley, Thor. Good morning, Ace Undercover, Cost D, PHC, Sam Owen, good morning. The Hoodie Trader, Peter, good morning. Micro Player, Melvin Bryan, Latex, Tyler Page, good morning. Best Guest Trading, Dabda, Jim O, Zugfest, Citizen Zero, Steven Schaefer, M. Susan in the house, Miss Wakui, Queet Gaming, Fluffy Rippo. Did I say my name right? Let's go, Latex. Let's go. Arrow Squad, good morning. Frank Mortimer. All right, let's do this, fellas. Technically, we could actually have a setup here this morning, right? I mean, I don't like trading this early in the morning. I don't like trading this early, so I think we'll just wait it out, see what happens here. Market's been having a pretty steady downtrend this morning. I caught some of this. I took a trade on the Tradeify evals. I was going to do it on all my accounts, and then I'm like, you know what? I'm just not going to do the off-stream pre-market trading on all my funded accounts. Just feel like I still have a little bit of PTSD from doing that, so decided to only trade it on the Tradeify accounts. Actually, now that I think about it, what? Testing, yes. Okay, we are good. Man, let's just hope we don't. Let's hope we don't have any internet issues. Man, yesterday was brutal. I tried to restart the stream 3 different times, and each time, I didn't last long at all. So annoying. All right, 620s. Let's see if we're just going to rip right through this. Let's look at the daily chart. I was looking at the daily chart here on the NASDAQ, the daily chart. This is kind of a hanging doji a little bit here. It's kind of interesting. Wouldn't be shocked if we see another red day today, but I'm very cautious. I'm very cautious about trying to think the market will go lower. Market just seems like it only goes higher. Hey, Giorani Trades, good morning. Good morning, Niles. Mighty Micros Trader, good morning. Trim the Trader, good morning. Between Lucid Pro and the new Tradeify plans, which do you think is better? It depends a little bit how you want to trade. It's kind of a, man, if I had to choose, I think I would go with the Tradeify Select plans and the 5-day payouts. I'm not a big fan of the daily payouts with Tradeify, the Select plan, just because of the daily loss limit, but that's just me. All right, look at that. 640s testing the VWAP. We are testing the VWAP. Are we going to keep going here? And we are going 650s now. She's a ripper. Hey, no problem, Trim the Trader. I don't think you can go wrong with either one, Trim the Trader, but if I like had to choose, I think that is what I would choose. All right. Oh, all right. Let's just have another calm day. I don't want any high stress. Just be chill. Wow, there's the reject off of the VWAP. Pretty big reject.
Order filled.
That's what you did, the 5-day payout? Yes. I think the 5-day payout is a good, I like that. I like it. Very, very similar to Top Step. All right, market, are we going to hold this or not? Let's wait and see here.
Order filled.
Hey, Design Knob is here. Gutenberg, good morning. I just get anxious with the yeah. Well, ouch. What? I just skinned my knee. What is going? I think I had a blister on my knee. Whatever that means. All right. All right, market. I wouldn't be mad if we get a move above the 650s, get a long setup, or we just wait and we might get a short entry. I just want a nice clean entry and a no. Oh, my order filled. That was my order filled. No. Yes, that was me trading or me trying to trade my Top Step accounts. All right, we might go lower. This is looking. Clyde, good morning. Good morning, Clyde. Jolts at 10. Oh. You know, I have not been paying attention to news that much. I probably need to do that. So, December, what are we? December 9th? Oh, 10 o'clock news. So that should move the market. Ooh, I forgot. Tomorrow is FOMC. Is tomorrow's FOMC the press conference or just the statement? Oh, it's the actual real deal. So tomorrow is the actual FOMC? Ooh. Maybe. Man. I just had a very bad intrusive thought. I had a terrible intrusive thought. Terrible intrusive thought. Now I can't get it out of my head. Hey, good morning, Matty Matt, Timbo, Gutenberg. Yeah, so the Fed fund rates and yeah, it's the big kahuna. Interesting. All right, so the market rejecting off the VWAP. We might, looks like we're going lower, I guess. All right, let's go. We have officially locked out our top step. We need one more. Okay, let me think about this. Let me think about. Okay, my intrusive thoughts. After today, I need one more day of 150 on my top step accounts. And if I would get that tomorrow morning or tonight when the market opens, if I would get that, I could request a payout. The funds would be removed, and then I would be good to go to trade. And then we could, hypothetically, we could full port my top step accounts on the FOMC. It's a thought. And okay, let's see. Can we get through the VWAP? Do it for the stream. Well, it's either, okay, I'm kind of potentially sacrificing a payout if I do that. Not the current payout. So unless we have some kind of, actually here, I'll just show you guys. So this is my current top step accounts. Okay, so I'll walk you through this. These are my current top step accounts. I need one more day. And then I can request another 5,000, whatever. So, and that would then be, this would be my third payout with these accounts. Okay, which means we've taken out 66,000 on these accounts. I'm not mad about that whatsoever. Here's my thought. Now, what we could do, I could just keep kind of taking it relatively slow. I mean, not taking it slow, but not full porting. I could do that until I get one more payout, right? I could do that until I get one more payout and then do the full port. The problem with that is I don't know if there's a good news event coming out. Like, is there another news event coming out that is going to be better than the FOMC tomorrow? Because we also need a really good news event, if you know what I mean. What would the pool fund say? Well, the pool fund would be funded 66. So, I mean, the pool fund is relatively on its way. Okay, what we need to do is we need to check what other news events there are. Okay, what other news events next week are there that are going to really move the market? Like, I want something that's going to really move it. Like 100 point 100+ point move is what I'm looking for. So next Tuesday we have core retail sales, unemployment rate at 8:30. Then we have flash PM. We have PMI at 9:45. Wednesday it's nothing. Thursday, okay, core CPI. Okay, maybe. Okay, well that might be a better option. That might be the one, folks. I feel like, isn't CPI usually the cleanest move? Isn't CPI really, not really though. I always like to look on Take Profit Trader. I feel like, do they have that listed as a news event? Usually they do, yeah. They don't have it on their calendar yet, but I'm sure they will add it. So December 18th on Thursday, CPI. Hey, Jonathan Gooden, how we doing? Peter Schapp, good morning. Golf Guy Mike, good morning. Rollover week next week might not be the best action. Yeah, Yeah, I know Giorani trades. I know that if we do the full part, Top Step X could also have some issues. I understand that. That, I guess, is a risk we have to take. Man. CPI is the best one if the numbers come. Yeah, see, what I want to try to prevent, what I try to prevent is the whipsaw. The whipsaw is what will destroy. That's the difficult one. And I feel like FOMC is a little bit more likely to do the whipsaw action. I might trade FOMC tomorrow, but I'll just be careful. Like, I won't full port. We'll just go small, but try to rack up a really nice day. I think the best option, I think I've kind of made my decision, because on December 18th is CPI. And that is next Thursday, which means I could trade another 5 days and get my fourth payout, because between my fourth and fifth payout is when I want to be full porting. The best option is to always full port. I've never done this. I've never done the full port on a news event on a funded account. I've done it plenty of times with evals. Never done it with funded accounts. But if there was ever a time to do it that made sense to do it, it's this time. I actually think it's smart, and I think it makes sense to do it. I really think it makes sense. Do it on FOMC, mate? I don't know. I feel like FOMC is way more likely. Basically all I need a 90-point move. That's what I need. 90-point move on 15 cons is 30K. 30K times 5 accounts is 150,000. And that's what we would move live. You know what I would do? I'm not joking. If I get the 150, maybe I shouldn't say this on stream. Don't tell Top Step. But if I get the 150,000 and we move it live, I would just go for $150 days for 30 days, and then I would withdraw the full amount. I would do it. Pool fund is fully funded at that point. The pool fund is fully funded. Oh, they would not be big fans of that, I'm sure. But hey, I'm just playing within the rules. It's not against the rules to do that. What's the name of the indicator in the middle of your chart? Are you talking about this one? So this one is the Wada Atari explosion indicator from Trade Devil Indicators. You can also find the same indicator on TradingView. Wada Atari explosion indicator is what it is. Do you even use, if I use the indicator, I mean, I look at it, but I don't really use it specifically, no. Testing. You can't hear. Oh. Design knob. Patak would never let you get away with it. He would absolutely step in and deny me. No, he would not. He would not dare. He might try, though. He might try. Wow, we're all of a sudden, we're just chopping back and forth here, the 620s to the 600s. You know, FOMC is definitely something I could do, but I'll probably trade FOMC tomorrow. The problem with if I trade FOMC tomorrow with one mini, let's say I just do one mini, there's a chance I could blow up those accounts with one mini. Easy. I could blow up those accounts with one mini. If I'm going to blow them up, I would much rather do it trying to full port. Like that, I'm okay with that. Like, but if I blow it up with one mini, you know, and I don't know, it just doesn't feel as good. But we'll see. Him and Dakota will make sure you don't get a penny. They might design now, but we'll see. We shall see. Can you imagine if they would have to announce that I'm getting 150,000 moved to live, and then after 30 days I withdrew the whole amount? They'd be so mad. Yep, 10 o'clock news, guys. 10 o'clock news. Sorry, thank you for reminding me. 10 o'clock news. Why is my heart rate going crazy? That's not right. I feel like that's not accurate right now. I don't know. Maybe maybe I'm stressed. There's no way my heart rate's that high. Maybe. I don't know. I'm just thinking about going full port and my heart rate went up to 120. Can you imagine if we actually full port? If I actually full port, things are going to get that heart rate monitor is going to be wild. Actually wild. All right, news coming out. News coming out. Be careful. Are we going to see a ripper or not? News coming out in 30 seconds. 30 seconds. 30 seconds, guys. I'm talking about Top Step. That's why. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. Maybe maybe it is true. All right, here we go. Looks like, okay, a quick little pop lower. Hey, MM Cole, good to see you. Been a while. Good to see you, MM Cole. Yeah, that was really not much of a move, really. I mean, nothing happened. Clee, don't ask questions you don't want. No, I take profit is burn. Hey, Jack Rudy Rudody. Still says pending. Oh, you mean, are you saying maybe the news hasn't actually come out? Huh. I see. Maybe it didn't. All right, let's see if we break out or not. Looks like we want to break, but doesn't seem like, seems like it's having a difficult time getting through the VWAP right now. Having a difficult time getting through VWAP. It's a positive news report. Okay. I mean, market really didn't do anything. Nothing. We cannot seem to get above the VWAP right now. Got a feeling we might go lower before we go back up. Okay, maybe we go here. Are we going to see it rip? There we go. Breaking out above the 645, pushing 650s. Oh, there she goes. There she goes. She's a ripper. Breaking out now above the VWAP, above the 650s. Okay, there she goes. It was close to expectations. Okay. Interesting. Oh. By the way, guys, I seriously, we seriously got rug pulled on our kitchen table. I think I told you guys, but we ordered a kitchen table and chairs probably 6 weeks ago. 6 weeks ago, we ordered a table and chairs. 4 weeks ago, we call in just to double check, make sure it's on, everything is good. Delivery date is still on track. And they said, oh, yes, everything's good. And then literally a week ago, we get a call and they just say, hey, we're sorry, we have to cancel your order. We call in and like, what's going on? Oh, we had to file for bankruptcy. So they filed for bankruptcy. And now, in order to get your money back, you literally have to like file a claim with the bankruptcy courts. You have to file a claim with the bankruptcy courts, and then however much the bankruptcy courts claim, like we might get pennies on the dollar refunded for some. Yeah, what a joke. What a joke. Yeah, it was Methodical Man. I looked into the company, and the guy's Scott Treasty. It was Fast Track Furniture. Fast Track Furniture, and they rug pulled. I should have known better to trust a company that called themselves Fast Track Furniture, and they had all different kinds of race cars on the front, and their names for the furniture was like Daytona model. You know, I should have been where should have seen it. I should have seen it, man. Can't believe I fell for it. And you had to pay with Bitcoin. That was my other one. I should have known. Yes, they also had all the way in the back, when you went to file your bankruptcy claim, it said, "Welcome home." Yes, it was a rally table. And then all the way further in the back, there was a special room that had Joom discounted furniture. That should have been my third red flag. I just didn't see it at the time. There were so many red flags, I just didn't see it. Oh, man. But I did see one thing, probably another red flag. I saw that a lot of the employees were driving Carvana cars. There was a lot of weird Carvana advertisements throughout the store. Didn't really make sense. Now it's starting to come back to me. And they were driving Rolls Royces, like 2010 Rolls Royces. Their employees. Should have been another red flag. It's too funny. I'm just kidding, by the way. But file a dispute. Okay, Wall Street. It doesn't even let me we've been trying to file a dispute with the credit card company, and because it's in bankruptcy, it's like yeah, I'm not sure that it's gonna that we can. They pulled my chair. They definitely did. But this morning, so then we had to go buy another table and chairs. And this morning, that table and chairs was delivered, thankfully. And did not get rug pulled on that, thankfully. And then in the meantime, I'm telling you what, we are just getting rug pulled everywhere. Meantime, one of our credit cards gets hacked, and some Yakadooni goes and hacks our credit card and charges over $3,000 of Amazon purchases on it. Tell you what, I'm ready to my wife is about to lose her mind. She went through and she was deleting all digital footprints known to humankind, and she went all out. She went all out. She said, "They're not getting us again." That wasn't as big of an issue. We just, call the credit card company and report it as fraud, and that was pretty simple or pretty easy. But the whole bankruptcy thing with the table and chairs, yeah, I could read in between the lines, and we're going to be lucky. We're going to be lucky if we get any money back. On top of that, my gold card 3% cash back got rug pulled on me as well. Like, it's insane. Supposed to be the holiday season, and I'm getting rug pulled left and right. It's unbelievable. Could not. Yeah. I disputed it with Robinhood, the Robinhood Gold card. I went back to him and I disputed it, and I asked to speak to their manager. And I told him, how can you classify these as business expenses when for a whole year, it's the exact same expenses. I wasn't given a warning. How, like, why can't you do something about this? This is unacceptable. And the manager was just, I mean, they had zero desire to work with me. They were like, "We're sorry." They didn't give me a reason, didn't give me any explanation at all. They just said, "We're sorry, but for now, for the next 12 months, your card will only be able to redeem 1% cash back. That's it." And I know why. Because they were making they were losing money on me big time. Because I had over $2,000 in cash back already, and I never paid a single cent of interest. And they were looking at their numbers, and they're like, "Yeah, this guy's taking advantage of the system. We got to get him out." That's what happened. It's 1% on all transactions, everything. Yeah, are you using the gold card as well, Fernando? Well, okay, just be careful. If you spend too much, they'll cap you. It's kind of like it made me think of prop firms. If you make too much with prop firms, they'll also cap it. It's interesting. All right, market. Meanwhile, the market really not doing much. I kind of want to see this keep going higher. So far, we're trending higher. We're making higher lows. We did make a move above the VWAP, but we gotta get going. Get above the 650s and hold it. I should have been like, "Do you know who this is?" This is. I should have decided. Nah. I'm sure it would have resulted in exactly the same result. I did. Hey, Niles, let's go. Thank you, Niles, for the 20. Thank you, Niles. Thank you. I appreciate that. Thank you. It's the waiting for the FOMC decision. Yeah. When I saw that we had FOMC tomorrow, I guess our expectations for today's price action should probably be relatively low. It should probably be low because usually the day before FOMC we can just get some pretty choppy price action. Hey Niles, you're helping by just being here. I appreciate you, Niles. Thank you. Also, today I will do a giveaway if I have to restart my stream 10 times. I apologize. I've been wanting to do a giveaway the last 2 streams, and my internet is not seeming to cooperate. I did make some settings changes. Instead of streaming at 4K, instead of streaming at 2160, I changed it to 1080. So we're streaming at 1080, and I changed the bit rate a little bit. The quality is probably not quite as good as it used to be, but I'm hoping that will eliminate my streaming issues. So I don't know. So far, so good. Knock on wood. We thought you were rug pulling you yesterday. Not intentionally, no. Come on, market. Just rip it higher. Let's go. It's just not doing much. Grant Thompson, Robinhood is going to send me to live. It's true. It's true. Paying the $450 to reset my take profit 25K account and go 3 minis to blow through the intraday drawdown. I've had the same thought, Lee Curtis. I've had the same thought, but you gotta be careful. I mean, especially in this kind of price action. I'm not sure that's, yeah, it can work. Just be willing and accept that that could also go very bad. And we're back down. We just can't seem to get above the VWAP. We've tried to get above it a couple times and failed. The grinding is killing. Trust me, I know how you feel, Lee Curtis. I've had the same thoughts about Take Profit Trader. Is if I pass my next round of Take Profit Traders, I am going to have a serious contemplation. I'm going to seriously consider going super aggressive right out the gate. I feel like that's the one thing I haven't tried yet. I'm not sure it's a good idea, but the thing that's so frustrating with Take Profit Trader is that 5 days to pass, and it's a 50% pass rate, the 50% consistency. It's not easy. It's not easy to pass those evals, and to then go and blow those funded right away is just, oh, so painful. So painful. Yeah, Lee Curtis. I don't know. I think discipline and grinding can be good too. I think there's a time and place to be aggressive with prop firms. I think it's just I think the return on investment, everything has to make sense before you do it. Obviously, a huge part of that is your own financial position, your own financial situation that you're currently in. TBT needs to go end of day drawdown for pro accounts. I know, Bob Singley. See, here's the real here's the thing that I want, that I think would be really nice. The thing that would be really nice is getting a Take Profit Trader where they will immediately transition you to a live account as soon as you pass the account. Like that, because then you do have end of day drawdown and you have a 90% profit split. Like that's where you want to be. But getting there is, at least for me, it's sometimes seems like it's impossible. But we are going to do it. I am going to do it. Man, this price action this is looking horrible. We might not get a setup. What's gold doing? What is gold doing? All right, gold, I mean, gold isn't doing a whole lot either. A little bit more than NQ, but nothing crazy. You know what? I need to double check my Replicanto. We need to double check our trade copier. Okay, yeah, we're all good to go. Is the market even open? Somebody try turning it off and then turning it back on. Maybe that'll work. If you're doing 150K Take Profit Trader, you need to use 4 minis. Otherwise, you're going to be up 900 one day with 5 micros and then down 14 the next. It is difficult, Lee Curtis. One thing I'm considering For my next round of take profit trader accounts, I'm considering maybe I should switch to the 50Ks, even possibly the 25Ks. I've actually thought about that. I don't know how I feel about that. It's not a lot of wiggle room, but the cost is a lot lower. The buffer's a lot less. I don't know. I think it's definitely something to consider. 25Ks are the easiest. Yeah, maybe I was thinking about maybe using the 25Ks and get transitioned to live, and then I don't know, maybe that is the best way. Maybe it is the best way. All right, market. Right now, you could just trade the range. just trade the range, guys. It's too easy. I always think of Dan Taloy Dan. Where's Dan Taloy Dan? Trade the range. If I get up 500, I will put 1 mini on. I see. or also a great way to trade is Terry's tan lines, or I mean Terry's trend lines. Sorry, I misspoke. Yeah, man, at this point I actually was going to plan. I don't think I have any particular now that the table and chairs are here, I actually think, knock on wood, but I think we are fully furnished. And I was thinking about doing a house tour. You guys want to see a house tour? I feel kind of weird doing a house tour. I don't know. I hate the thought of like trying to flaunt stuff, but I know most of you would enjoy a house tour, but I don't want to come across as like flaunting possessions. I don't like that. You want to see the Lambos? You would be very disappointed, Peter. Actually, I think I do have a Lambo, but I think it's 1/16 size. Actually, it's not even my Lambo. I think it's Kevin's. Nutty Bar Cribs edition. What is my net worth? I don't even know. I have no idea what it is. Only thing I know is it's not enough. How about releasing your affiliate income? Yes, consistent trader. I got the comments again. Did my November recap, and again, comment, oh, don't show your affiliate income. I'm like, I don't get why people are so hung up on that. It's crazy. Yeah, Skaz Trader. That's right. That's right. All my achievement. I mean, like I obviously make income from my affiliates. Like I never denied that. Obviously. And it is, yeah, it's I can only say thank you. But I also make income from my trading. You know, people it would be different. I think some of the commenters' points would be valid if I had like $10,000 in payouts on the year and I had like over 50,000 in expenses. Like then I think it would be exactly like I think then the point would be true that, like, but if, like, my income is 250,000 in payouts, and I have what, 80, might have 90,000, 85,000 in expenses by year end. Like, I don't get it. I don't get it. I don't get why people assume that I can only trade because I have affiliate income. Well, and it definitely helps. Like, it's like anything else. If your only income, if your only source of income is trading, I do think trading is harder, no doubt about it. But that's not all inclusive to affiliate. Like, you can be a doctor or a lawyer or whatever job you have, and if, like, that income is going to obviously benefit, give you less pressure when you trade. That's just that's definitely true. One year from now, Nutty's going to be hanging by the pool with a Lambo and a gold $sign necklace. If I ever buy a Lambo, somebody needs to come talk to me. I actually have friends. I have very good friends, relatives. I have really good friends that I've told them, if I ever start behaving a certain way, they're going to come with one of those iron pans. You guys know what I'm talking about? They're going to take one of those iron pans and they're just going to bop me right on the head with it. They're going to knock some sense into me. I'm going to buy a horse and wagon. All right, market. This is a slow, painful death if you're trading this. Slow, painful death. Seems like we just cannot get above the VWAP. I'm glad I'm not trading this. That's all I know. A Lambo suck. A Ferrari would be cool. But okay, I mean, I'm not against like, if you've always dreamed of driving a Lamborghini or something, and now you can afford it. Here's my personal opinion. Anything with an engine and wheels is usually a bad investment. So I just have zero desire to be spending a lot of money on something that goes down in value. I would much rather spend and invest my money in properties or land, something like that, where over a span of time, it always increases in value. And I don't know. I never cared that much about cars, but if I did, if I really love cars, I would probably get one, but I'd rather buy a bigger lawnmower, you know? I'd rather, my next lawnmower is going to be, yeah, there is another lawnmower that I've been looking at. Don't tell my Snapper Pro that I said that, but there is another one. The day I become consistently profitable with my trade, I will try to make money from it in all sorts of ways. Hey, there you go, Andreas. Yep. Again, I even have said, like, I'm a big I don't like seeing people selling courses when they're not transparent. Like, people that sell courses that are not transparent with their actual, like, hey, expenses, payouts, everything, I think that's misleading. But if someone is being transparent and actually showing, hey, this is how much money I make with prop firms, here are my expenses, give people a really realistic view on what it is like and what to expect. And when someone wants to do that, I mean, I don't, whatever, more power to you. But there's way too many people selling Discord services, selling courses, that if you ask them for a track record or any kind of proof of concept, they will get so offended and call you a brokey, whatever. Those are the ones that are very not a fan. All right, market, we are trying to break above the 650s. Can it hold this time? The tan line trading trends. Yeah, and it's always that way, red hair. I've changed my viewpoint a little bit from what I'd used to. I used to be so diehard against it, but the one thing that I have realized is you can tell people that what they're buying is a scam, and they will literally buy it anyway and defend it. Like, and I'm like, you know what? I don't care. I just don't. If people want to waste their money, I'm just not going to try to prevent it. I mean, go for it. Do it. Just don't come crying to me then when it's like a scam, and then come crying to me. Like, that's my only thing. Just I hope it helps. Hopefully they get something valuable from it. But it's like, it's a lost cause when you try to warn people and be like, oh, it's just, it seems like a lost cause, because the people that want to do it are going to do it. They're not going to care. They want to believe. They need to believe that trading has some kind of shortcut. Trading has some kind of secret thing out there that if they just spend and give somebody money, they will magically tell them the secret, and then that's all they need to know to make money. Like, people have a desire to believe that, and there's nothing I can do to change that. People just have to, like, learn the hard way. I feel like that's the best medicine, is just, hey, this is because here's the funny thing about it is, I mean, there's something about it that if someone charges $2,000 for a secret, people are way more likely to believe that they actually have a secret without even seeing the proof. There's like this thing about associating the cost with the return, even though there is no proof of the concept. I think they think, well, if I spend $2,000, they have to have a secret. Truth is, no, they don't. They can just scam you from $2,000. Let's go, Lee Curtis. That's awesome. I have a secret. Everybody send me $100. Dean Bishop. Maheen, tell us what you realized. What do you mean? I mean, Maheen, I just said there are no secrets to trading. Well, the only secret that I share openly, this is a tongue-in-cheek secret, but the markets only go higher. I think that's honestly the one thing that you can use as a secret. The markets only go up, with a little bit of a disclaimer at the bottom that says, until they don't. No, there is no secret sauce to trading. There literally isn't a secret, which is good and bad. Like, it's good and bad for everybody. Like, that's actually really good news, because it means anybody can do it. But the hard part about it is the mental part of it. The psychological part of trading is where the people that make it have the mental fortitude, and the people that don't, you gotta, your mind is your biggest adversary. in my opinion. It only goes higher until I go long. Facts. Facts, Orlando. But it really is. It comes down to the mental part of it. And I can't, you never understand people that argue the contrary, because you can literally go to hedge funds, people that are trading millions and millions of dollars, and you won't find that they all trade the same way. They don't. They all have their unique way of how they trade. And if there was like some kind of secret, they would all be trading the same way. And they don't. They're just like us in the sense of how I trade is different than what you trade. What you see works is different than what I see is working. It's just, I think that's sometimes what's so hard to understand about the market is it really is very simple, but it's also extremely difficult. All you got to do is hit a button. You just go long or short. That's all it takes. David Wren, the secret is Wendy's. Dude, you know how long it has been since I've had a Wendy's? Man, I just had a serious craving. Now you have given me a serious craving of I want Wendy's. I want Wendy's for lunch. I might do it. Tell us how the hedge funds trade. What I like the Wendy's, I forget which number it is. I think it's the number, it's the basically the burger, the bacon burger that has everything on it. The lettuce, the tomato, the bacon, the ketchup, the mayonnaise, like I forget which one of that it is, but it's that Wendy's burger. Oof, so good. It's not actually the Baconator, it's the other one. I do like the Baconator as well, though. I do like that. Yeah, I do agree. McDonald's fries are better than Wendy's. I've changed my opinion on that. I do think the McDonald's fries are better if they're fresh fries and salted correctly. The McDonald's fries are really hard to beat. But man, this is some terrible price action. You know what? You know what we could do to guarantee that this price action will improve? You know what we could do? All right. Nope. We're doing a giveaway. We are doing a giveaway. Let's make sure it works. Is it working? Why is it not working? Why is my giveaway not working? Hang on, guys. Somehow the giveaway is not seeming to work. Also, hit the like button. I don't ever ask for likes. I know I've noticed a lot of other streamers, they ask for a certain amount of likes before they do giveaways. I don't know. I just assume that you guys are awesome enough that I don't have to be constantly haggling you guys for likes. I just assume that you guys would like. I just assume you guys would hit the like button. But hang on, this giveaway is not seeming to work. I'm not sure why. Hang on, let me try again. Which firm have I had the most payout success from? I mean, honestly, well, I think you can go watch my latest video on my November results, and I show that. But I think if I remember right, my profit total is best with Tradeify, and Top Step is gonna make a. I mean, Top Step might be the most by the end of the year. I've gone on a heater. I've gone on a heater with Top Step the last 3 months. So all right, I don't know what to do. Okay, I'm going to start the giveaway again. What is going on? Why is my giveaways not working? I don't trade Top Step on stream. Most of the time I trade Top Step in the overnight. But no, I don't. Hang on, guys. I'm having issues with the giveaway. Why? What is going on? Why? I don't know what's going on, guys. We might have to do an old-fashioned giveaway where you guys pick a number. Remember that? Anybody remember when we used to do a giveaway and you pick a number? Oh, that was pure chaos. Oh, man. How do I change? What is going on? I don't understand why this is not working. All right, I'm going to try to just restart it or restart the giveaway. Give me a minute. Hey, we're breaking out. All right, we might, yeah, we could see an entry here. All right. It's still not working. What? That's so annoying. That is so annoying. Whoa, that's a big pullback. Is it something with my settings? What a big pullback. I'm annoyed. I'm annoyed why this is not working. Try doing entries now. Exclamation mark NBT, see if it works. Man, do I even want to? Exclamation mark NBT, does it work? No, it doesn't. I don't know what to do. All right, guys, stop. It's not working. That is so annoying. Oh my goodness, I should take this. I mean, I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna take it. All right, let's go. I think we just look for a double top here. We take our money and run. I almost missed that. I almost missed that setup. Just keep going straight up. I don't care. Don't mind me. I'm going to keep my stop right here now. Hey, rip it. Come on, just fill me. Do it. Do it. Come on. You're almost there. Don't pull back now. I know you want to, but don't do it. Push. One little push. One little push. Come on. You can do it. Do it. Do it. Oh, Poco. You're so close. Are you serious? Are you serious? Oh my goodness. We can't have nice things. We just can't have nice things. Do it. Come on. Are you serious? Oh, I'm trying to be patient. I'm trying. It hurts my soul. Don't do this. Don't be like this. It's gonna rip lower now, isn't it? I believe. I think we will hit this target. I believe. I believe. We're gonna manifest it. I actually kind of think we might be okay with moving it. If we move the target up to here. Let's try to move the target up, then sometimes the market will go higher easier. Maybe if it doesn't see our target right here, it'll go. Oh, Nobody. Easy. Everybody use quiet, quiet. Come on. Okay, we tricked it. We tricked the market. We tricked the market. We had to move our target a little bit higher. Deceptive practices. Just so it would go to our original target. Got to outthink the market sometimes. We'll take that. We will take that. With today's price action, we are not going to complain about that. Oh, man. How many, wait, what? Why do you think you have had more success with Tradeify and Top Step, less rules? I don't know, honestly, Lee Curtis, not really, because I've like had the least amount of success with Take Profit Trader, and they don't have any rules. I've had good success with Apex. Apex is like number 2 right now in my year-to-date payout. So I mean, I don't know what it is. Honestly, I wish I knew. I think it's weird how sometimes like, for example, Tradeify and Lucid, I started with them kind of as my degen accounts, and I just immediately had success with both of them. Like it seemed, I don't know, maybe I started trading with them at the right time. I don't know what it's been, but Take Profit Trader, it's not even close. Like Take Profit Trader is where I've traded the worst, and it's not even close. All right, I am going to check. I'm watching a video here on the giveaway stuff. Maybe I'm doing something wrong. Hey, Mad Cow is in the building. Good morning, Mad Cow. How we doing? How are we doing? All right, I just need a couple of you guys to test the exclamation mark NBT. Let's see if it works now. Good to see you, Mad Cow. Yeah, hang on, guys. Hang on. It's not working. They must be having issues or something. It makes no sense. I'm literally doing everything the same. I'm not changing a thing. Huh. How are we going to do a giveaway? How are we going to do a giveaway if we can't do that? Oh, wow. Look at that. Market. Yeah, that target up here looks pretty juicy. I'm okay with this, though. With how the market's been going, I'm okay with just taking the profits. There we go, M. Susan. Just need some volunteers to take the giveaway. Trying to think, how could we do this? Why? Why is it not working? Oh my goodness. Hang on. I think I figured it out. Hold up. Wait a minute. Hold on. Don't do it yet. Don't try it yet. I think I figured it out. But not yet. Don't. Just a minute. Okay. Oh, please let this work. Let's go! Okay, now you can enter. Let's go. Woo! All right. Giveaway is open. Exclamation mark NBT. Now, I'm curious, will it still show the @ symbol? Oh, that's so weird. Now it won't do the @ symbol at all. Yeah, see, I was testing that. So it's all or nothing. If I remove the @ symbol, then it won't do any @ symbol. But if I do the @ symbol, then it will do the double @ symbol, which is literally the same result. So, I don't know. I don't think there's anything I can do about that. All right, market. We did make it to the 700s. I mean, we might get another setup here, to be honest. If we do, we will take it. We will take it. Does seem like the market wants to go higher. It does appear that way. All right, guys, I'm going to go grab some water. I'll be right back. And we're back. What is the chart trader that I use? It is the Affordable Indicators chart trader. It is the basic chart. Actually, I'm not sure if this is the basic or advanced, but it's the basic. Does very much the same things. Oh, wait, the @ symbol is working. Hey, let's go, guys. The @ symbol is working now. That's awesome. Love to see it. Hey, Paddle Trader, you're $300 away from passing the TBT giveaway. Let's go, Paddle Trader. Good luck, man. You got this. Hey, Paul Luth, PW said he's going to get you back at the BDH. I'll be back. I'll be back. My schedule right now is just so messed up. My schedule right now is just it's pretty bad. And I don't know how I'm going to we'll figure something out, but I'll be back at the BDH for sure. Somebody needs to keep Patrick in line. Might as well be me. Hey, Tyler, TG Capital. Tyler, good to see you, Tyler. If you get moved to Top Step Live with more than 150, no. Any profits more than 150 are just forfeited. What am I doing different on the Top Step accounts? Trading a lot more aggressively. On the Top Step accounts, I will trade reversals. Basically, I will trade a reversal. I also trade the 1 minute 21 EMA I trade as well. But the reversals I'll trade, this is kind of a good example, but I basically look for a failed attempt lower, and then when we break above, that's what I look for. Hey, what's up? Huh? What? Hang on. Okay, we're back. Sorry about that. Had a emergency, not emergency, but had to take care of some church stuff back home. That was important. Needed my attention. Mr. Wall Street. Prop firms don't mind you broadcasting trades live? No, they don't. At least not that I'm aware of. Testing. Is my mic too low? Andy P. So all of my accounts are Trade-Evade accounts. So yes, all my accounts are Trade-Evade accounts. You can have, I don't think they have a limit on how many accounts you can connect with Trade-Evade and like through Ninja Trader. Oh snap! We better pick. Oh snap! We just you gotta be kidding. Block the noise. You're 100% right. I could have had a setup. I was not paying attention. That's my bad. That's my bad. But I'm not gonna take it now. I'm not gonna take it now. Man. Wow, we really missed that one. We really missed it. Hang on, I gotta take this. Hey, yes, sir. And we're back. All right. Man, we missed that. We totally missed that. Well, I guess it is what it is. Yep. Hey, look who's here. John. John is here. Let's go, John. Where you been? Hang on. Hang on, guys. I got issues. We got issues. I gotta make another phone call. Sorry, guys. I'm on the phone. I'm currently on hold. Currently on hold, but I don't know how long this is going to take. Trying to... Issues. Oh, do I take... I mean, I guess we got... This is technically a setup. If we get above this... I guess. I mean, I don't see why not. Like, we should probably be taking this. Let's see, we get filled. This might maybe we start rolling over, but man, I'm still on hold. Still on hold. This is turning into a nightmare. All right. How about that trade? A silent trade. A completely silent trade, and it worked. We might have found a new method. We might have a new way of trading called the silent trade. We mute throughout the trade. I like it. Yeah, we got issues. This is this is what happens when you're a treasurer. We are treasurer. We're the treasurer at church, and there's some issues with transferring money. So I have to go make some phone calls. I'm gonna have to go make some more phone calls, but don't leave, because when I come back, we do want to do a giveaway before. I'm not gonna end stream before we do the giveaway. So call Sky. Transfer some evals. All right, I will be back. I'll be back. Just give me a minute. We're back. We are back. Market only goes up. Okay, we're back. I think, knock on wood, I think the issues are all resolved. I think. Let's hope. Let's hope. Okay, let's do the giveaway. You know what? I'm going to open the giveaways for just like 2 minutes. If you're just now joining, exclamation NBT will get you entered for a duck race, for a chance. Excuse me. Man, how did I get the hiccups? Terrible timing. If you're already entered, then you can't enter again, but I guess for those of you that just joined. Man, there's a bunch of you guys just joining, huh? All right. Man, today's price action has been pretty nice. I cannot complain. I actually could have, I missed this setup right here. We actually could have had a couple more trades today, but I'm okay. This is a very nice day. A very nice day. Not going to complain. All right, guys. I think everyone had a chance to get in. It didn't accept yours when you did it the first time. I think, yeah, you're in. You're in, Matty Matt. That's right, John. We need it. We needed a good week. Honestly, if we can have a really good week, that makes up for all the terrible Friday we had. We need a couple more days, but right now, I'll take it. All right, I think everybody is in the duck race, I believe. Oh, you did Maddie the first time. I see my heart rate app closed. Oh, I'm not sure why. Whatever. We don't need it. Oh, we're back. All right, guys. All right, I'm going to close the giveaway. I'm going to close it now. Okay, let us do the duck race. Give me a minute. All right, guys, we are ready. We are ready for the duck race, ready to pick the winners. Not pick the winners, but pick who gets to run in the duck race. Here we go. Good luck, everybody. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. First name. Oh, hashtag rigged. RXHX is the first. And look. Oh, that's just poet. That's poetry right there. RXHX. Congratulations, man. Good luck, my friend. All right, here we go. Next name, Kyle Carter 87. Kyle Carter 87. Next name, Gijo 2923. Gijo. I don't know if that's right or not. Next name, JHC Serve. Good luck to you, my friend. Here we go. Next name, M. Brown, 1293. M. Brown, 1293. Next name, Scott Kent. Scott Kent, 5410. Scott Kent. Good luck to you, Scott. David Mena. David Mena, GG. Good luck to you. Here we go. Next name is going to be TK96734. 96734. TK, good luck to you, TK. Let's go, David. All right, next name, Captain Pimp. We've got a pimp in the duck race, folks. You are all warned. We've got a pimp in the duck race. Next name, hey, there's a familiar name. Bent Capital Trading. Bent Capital Trading. Good luck to you, sir. And we got to remove 5 names here. Don't worry, you're still in the race. All right, here we go. All right, next name's going to be GCQ24 John Jones. Good luck, John Jones. Next name is going to be, oh, Coach Captain Crunch is in the race. We've got some old-timers and all-time favorites here. Here we go. Next name's going to be Neil N9934. Neil N9934. Good luck to you. Here we go. Next name, Sosis Table. Sosis Table. Good luck to you. Here we go. This is the final name in the duck race. All right, let's go. Captain Crunch. Nay, final name is going to be Worlds Away Nomads. All right, let's go. All right, everybody. We are ready to rumble. Here we go. Here's all the names. 15 names. 2 minutes. Duck race is going to be for 2 minutes. Who's ready? Again, let me make sure we follow. We've got to make sure to follow all the duck race regulation protocols. Protocols and the rules do state we do have to shuffle the characters 1 time. Here we go. Characters have been shuffled 1 time. Here we go. And they are off, folks. Here we go. And we've got taken the early lead. JHC Serve out in front. We've got Kyle Carter in the green duck in the bottom of your screen. We've got the pimp duck now with the cucumber eyes taking the early lead. Sosa's Table. Scott Kent now trying to make a move. And we have Bent Capital Trading in the purple dunce hat at the top of your screen. We've got RXHX now making a move toward the front of the pack. A fan favorite, RXHX. We've got to keep an eye out on him because he's got a dagger. We've got to make sure he doesn't stab any other ducks. He's got a dagger right there. We're going to have to keep an eye on him. There comes JHC Serve. Now takes second place. Kyle Carter, Coach Captain Crunch, the pink duck, is trying to make a move as well. We've got 50 seconds to go. Who's it going to be? 45 seconds now. JHC Serve has a commanding length and a half lead. But as we all know, you got to reserve your energy. Right now, does JHC Serve have the energy to maintain the lead? Here we go, down the stretch, 25 seconds to go. Kyle Carter, Coach Captain Crunch, the bottom of your screen, we've got Scott Kent. Oh, and now here comes John Jones, makes a push, to the front of the pack. And Kyle Carter, we've got 10 seconds to go. It's time, now or never. RXHX, where are you at? Oh, here comes M. Brown. M. Brown makes a surge, and M. Brown takes the lead and takes the win. Wow. M. Brown came out of nowhere. RXHX, we got to do a full investigation. He might have got murdered. He might have gotten murdered. I agree. We got to investigate. All right. Give me a minute while we audit the results. We got a third-party audit and verify these results before we reveal it. All right. All right, here we go. There you go. Official results are in, and it is, oh, Captain Crunch, I'm sorry. Foul play. Oh, RXHX is still alive and well. He did not get murdered. He did not. He finishes in 6th place. Bent Capital Trading in 5th place. Coach Captain Crunch in 4th place. And for the money, in third place, we have World Away Nomads. Congratulations. And coming in 2nd place is TK96734. And as we all witnessed, M. Brown takes home the win. Congratulations, everybody. Very nicely done. Just give me a second and I will let you know how you can get your winnings. Also, I forgot. Did I mention the giveaway is for a Tradeify select account? This giveaway was for a Tradeify 50K select account. I'm sorry, I might not have mentioned that, but 50K select account. 50K select account. Excuse me. Hang on. I'm going to drop my email in the chat. If you first, second, or third place, please send me an email. Okay, send me an email with a screenshot of your YouTube channel, and I will get you a code sent that will be valid for a 50K Tradeify select account. That is the giveaway. Congratulations, and thank you everyone for playing. Volume is going in and out today. Really? Testing, 1, 2, testing. Is it when I scream? Ah, nope. That's not it. Volume should be good. I don't know. Was my volume not going through on that? Huh, interesting. Was my volume cutting out? Okay, I think we're good. All right. All right, everybody. I'm going to call it a day here, folks. I'm very happy with today. Really nice green day. We needed it. We needed it. And yeah, we'll be back tomorrow. And I hope you guys all have a great rest of your day. And yeah, take care. Appreciate all the support. Hit the like button on your way out if you don't mind. Take care and God bless. I agree, Niles. I love these days. I'm glad I'm done trading though.